In front of me is XIAOMI Pad 6, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Firstly, open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then tap on Google section. Following that, select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Now select Edit button and finally change wherever you wish to. When you're ready, hit save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!